Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And Donnelly Ford Lincoln is back at it again with smoking deals in March. Take for example this 2018 Ford Escape SE 4-wheel drive. 0 down, 47 months, you're gonna get this guy for $169 bi-weekly. Absolutely smoking deal. Or this 2019 F-150. 0 down, 47 months, you're gonna get this guy for $189 bi-weekly. If you wanna step it up a little bit, add the leveling kit, the tonneau cover, custom rims and tires for just $60 bi-weekly. Why finance for 96 months when you can drive something new every 4 years? If this is something you're interested in, get down to Donnelly Ford Lincoln today to take advantage of these amazing deals while we still have stock available. Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email. We can certainly set you up with any information you're looking for. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.